Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in a bit.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, back in the kitchen again, showing you guys I'm gonna prepare this morning Jamaican fried dumpling with some ackee and saltfish, guys. So here I have my flour. I sieve it already, and you know, frying Jamaican fried dumpling, you need your flour, and this is about a pound of flour, and you need a baking powder, you need some salt, and you need your butter, and then your cooking oil when you put on your dutch pot for fry it. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna put into my flour now is some baking powder, and this is about a pound of flour, 1 pound of flour. Yeah, they're Jamaican, you want fried dumpling, you just go to the shop and just buy a pound of flour and just start out the fried dumpling. So this is some baking powder. I put in some salt. And some butter. I'll put some more baking powder. So about a tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of salt, and my butter, and my water. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now is to just, my hand clean, wash my hand already, so what I'm gonna do now is to just mix on this with my hand. And here's the butter. That's gonna mash up the butter. Yeah, so what you're gonna do now, this is gonna make a dough. Okay, I'm gonna pour in my water, and this is Jamaican fried dumpling with ackee and saltfish, Jamaican national dish. Big up on yourself, guys. It's gonna get a little messy, don't worry about that. You just clean it after. Yeah. I'm gonna knead this dough until it come perfect, and then I'm gonna just cover it and just make it set for a look of 10-5 minutes, and then I start fry. Yeah man, big up on yourself guys. If you don't subscribe as yet, please subscribe and leave a comment. And I'm asking you guys if you can please watch out this video to the end. Big up on yourself, I really appreciate that. And comment and tell me all about, you know, this fried dumpling I'm preparing. Jamaican recipe, Jamaican style. This is how I see my, so you just knead it until it come out perfect. Okay, yeah man, so don't make it, you know, say I will take so long for get to perfection. No, you just take your time and do your thing. One thing when you're rushing, you know, your food not cook good, you know, just take on a time and just, you know, do nothing. And when you not cook with love and the food tastes good. I just, when I finish, you just use the dumpling and just wipe out your local bowl. And just go at it again. Yeah. This is how it looks after 10 minutes. Really, really perfect. Here I have my Dutch pot, well hot. So I'm gonna put in my oil. This is my saltfish, giving a lot of trouble. So I turn up the stove to make the pot hot. So I put in the oil now. I don't want my dumpling to burn up. I'm going to turn it down back. Okay. So here I have my dough here. I started to make balls with them already. So come. Yeah. Gonna pop them. I don't know how big you want your dumpling, so you can make your dumpling bigger than mine. Okay? Yeah. Let's pop them. My pot is hot now, so I'm gonna put in them one by one. Yeah. Just gonna make balls with your dumpling. Do them like this. This is almost my mother do it nowadays, and them come out perfect. And you just put your right here and just go like this. You don't want flat it out too much, okay? You just put it in your pot. Yeah, but just keep your stove turned down because you don't want your dumpling burn up, okay? Yeah, but keep your stove low because you want the dumpling them to soak. It don't make no sense you fry it and the dumpling no soak. It don't make no sense. So I'm going to turn the first set I put in. Yeah. And this is easy and simple, Jamaican fried dumpling. It's not hard, easy. And here's my dumpling. Don't be afraid to turn on your stove, and you can turn the dumpling them on the side and make them soak properly. Yes, guys. May get burned, you know? Yeah. Yep. You have to have this and your napkin into a dish, and you just put your, when the fried dumpling finish fry, you just place them here that some of the oil or majority of the oil can leave on the towel here. In the color that you know it's having, yeah, it's really a soak. So remember, you have to turn on your stove. You can't have your stove and I eat. If you want your flour, you can. If you want your flour to come out good, you have to turn it down. If you want it to soak, you have to turn it down. If you not turn it down, you get a burn up outside and a raw inside. So you have to turn on your stove, okay? You just turn on your stove because it's just